For foodies, finding the perfect balance between indulging in decadent dishes and managing finances can be a tricky feat. But fear not, for we have embarked on a mission to unearth the secrets of frugal living without compromising on our taste buds. In this video, we will present 10 creative and proven tips that will enable food lovers to dine like royalty on a budget. Tip 1. Strategize your meals ahead of time. Planning your meals in advance is a powerful tool for the savvy foodie, as it allows you to take control of your grocery list, minimize food waste, and ultimately save money. By approaching meal planning with a strategic mindset, you can turn an ordinary shopping trip into a cost-effective culinary adventure. One of the key benefits of meal planning is the ability to choose ingredients that complement each other, reducing the need to purchase multiple items for a single dish. This means that you can stretch your budget further while enjoying a diverse range of flavors and texture. Additionally, by shopping for specific meals, you can avoid purchasing excess food that may go to waste, as you can ensure that you have the exact amount of ingredients required. When strategizing your meals ahead of time, consider incorporating leftovers into your plan. Leftovers can be a great source of inspiration for creative and satisfying dishes, and can be repurposed into new meals that will keep your taste buds entertained throughout the week. Meal planning doesn't have to be an overwhelming task. It can be as simple as jotting down a few ideas for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the upcoming week. By taking the time to plan ahead, you can transform your grocery list from a haphazard collection of items into a thoughtful, cost-effective selection of ingredients that will enable you to create flavorful and satisfying meals every day. Tip 2. Discover the hidden gems of discount grocery stores. When it comes to shopping for groceries, many of us default to the familiar chain stores that dominate the market. However, for the frugal foodie, there's a world of untapped potential waiting to be discovered in the aisles of discount grocery stores. While these stores may not have the same polished appearance as their mainstream counterparts, they are often stocked with an impressive variety of quality ingredients at significantly lower prices. This is because discount stores often source their products from different suppliers and sell items that are nearing their expiration date or have minor cosmetic imperfections. However, don't let the lower prices fool you into thinking that the quality is inferior. Many of these products are just as good as, if not better than, the more expensive options available at chain stores. In fact, some discount stores even offer unique and hard-to-find ingredients that can add a new dimension of flavor to your meals. When shopping at discount stores, it's important to keep an open mind and be willing to explore the store's offerings. Take the time to examine the products carefully and read the labels to ensure that you're getting a good deal on quality items. Don't be afraid to try new ingredients or experiment with different brands, as you may stumble upon some hidden gems that become staples in your pantry. Tip 3. Embrace the power of bulk buying. Buying in bulk is a fantastic way to save money on groceries, as it allows you to purchase a larger quantity of a product at a lower price per unit. This strategy is especially useful for foodies who enjoy cooking and baking, as it enables them to stock up on essential ingredients and experiment with new recipes without breaking the bank. One of the key benefits of buying in bulk is the ability to customize the quantity of a product to your specific needs. This means that you can purchase just the right amount of ingredients for your recipes, reducing waste and maximizing your savings. Additionally, buying in bulk allows you to create a well-stocked pantry that can be used as a foundation for many different meals and snacks. When shopping for bulk items, it's important to compare prices across different stores and online retailers to ensure that you're getting the best deal possible. Many retailers offer discounts and promotions for bulk purchases, so be sure to keep an eye out for these opportunities. It's also important to consider the storage requirements of the products you're purchasing. Bulk items like grains, beans, and nuts can be stored in airtight containers or freezer bags to extend their shelf life, while perishable items like fresh produce and dairy products should be used up quickly or frozen for later use. Tip 4. Unleash your inner chef by cooking at home. Cooking at home is a powerful tool for frugal foodies, allowing you to take control of your diet, experiment with new ingredients, and save money in the process. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or just starting out, there's no better way to elevate your meals and impress your taste buds than by cooking at home. One of the key benefits of cooking at home is the ability to customize your meals to your personal tastes and preferences. By choosing your own ingredients, seasonings, and cooking methods, you can create dishes that are tailored to your individual needs and desires. Additionally, cooking at home gives you complete control over the quality and nutritional value of your meals, ensuring that you're fueling your body with healthy, delicious food. Cooking at home doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming either. With the abundance of resources available online, including recipe blogs, cooking channels, and online tutorials, you can find inspiration and guidance for any type of cuisine or dietary need. Plus, by preparing meals in advance and utilizing time-saving techniques like batch cooking and meal planning, you can save time and reduce stress in the kitchen. Not only is cooking at home a more economical choice than dining out or ordering in, it can also be a fun and rewarding experience that brings people together. Cooking with friends and family is a great way to bond and share your love of food, while hosting dinner parties and potlucks can create a sense of community and celebration. Tip 5. Elevate your meals with cheaper cuts of meat. Before we dive into the topic at hand, I have a small request to make. If you're enjoying this video, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by subscribing to the channel. This way, you'll be the first to know about future content and updates, and it will also help us reach a wider audience. Thank you. For your consideration, meat is often one of the most expensive items on a grocery list, but that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice flavor and quality to save money. By using cheaper cuts of meat, you can create delicious, satisfying meals that will make your taste buds sing without breaking the bank. Many cheaper cuts of meat, like pork shoulder, beef chuck, and chicken thighs, are actually more flavorful than their pricier counterparts, but require a little extra time and attention to prepare. These cuts are often tougher and more fatty, which means that they benefit from slow cooking methods like braising, roasting, and stewing. By taking the time to cook these cuts properly, you can transform them into succulent, tender dishes that are packed with flavor. In addition to being more affordable, cheaper cuts of meat are also a more sustainable choice, as they often come from animals that have been raised and processed in a more ethical and humane way. When shopping for meat, look for labels that indicate the animal has been raised without antibiotics, hormones, or other additives, and try to choose cuts that come from local or regional sources. To get the most flavor and tenderness out of cheaper cuts of meat, it's important to experiment with different cooking techniques and seasonings. Try marinating tougher cuts in acidic ingredients like vinegar or citrus juice to help break down the fibers and tenderize the meat, or season them with aromatic spices like cumin, coriander, or smoked paprika to add depth and complexity. Tip 6. Cultivate your own herbs and veggies for fresh flavors and savings. Growing your own herbs and vegetables is a fun and rewarding way to add fresh, flavorful ingredients to your meals while saving money on groceries. Not only does it give you the satisfaction of knowing exactly where your food comes from and how it was grown, but it also allows you to experiment with a wider range of flavors and textures that may not be available at your local grocery store. Whether you have a large backyard or just a small balcony, there are many ways to start a garden and grow your own produce. You can start by selecting a few herbs and vegetables that you use most often in your cooking, such as basil, parsley, tomatoes, and peppers, and then gradually expand your garden as you become more comfortable with the process. In addition to the cost savings and flavor benefits, growing your own herbs and veggies is also a more sustainable choice, as it reduces your carbon footprint by eliminating the need for transportation and packaging. It also helps to promote biodiversity and protect local ecosystems by providing habitat for beneficial insects and birds. To get started, you'll need some basic gardening tools, such as a trowel, gloves, and watering can, as well as some soil in containers or garden beds. You can find a wide range of resources and tips online or at your local garden center to help you get started and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Tip 7. Clip coupons and snag discount codes for extra savings. If you're looking to stretch your food budget even further, using coupons and discount codes is a great way to do so. With the rise of online shopping and grocery delivery services, it's easier than ever to find deals on the ingredients you need to create delicious and budget-friendly meals. Start by searching for coupons in your local newspaper, grocery store circulars, or online coupon sites. Many grocery stores also offer digital coupons that you can load onto your store loyalty card or mobile app for easy savings at checkout. Another way to save money on groceries is by using discount codes when shopping online. Many grocery delivery services offer promotional codes for new customers, and you can often find additional codes and deals by following your favorite grocery stores and brands on social media or signing up for their email newsletter. While clipping coupons and searching for discount codes may take some extra time and effort, the savings can really add up over time. So don't be afraid to get a little creative and resourceful when it comes to finding ways to save on your grocery bill. Just remember to read the fine print on any coupons or discount codes to make sure they're valid for the products you want to buy and that you understand any restrictions or limitations. With a little bit of planning and savvy shopping, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals without breaking the bank. Tip 8. Utilize the power of slow cookers and pressure cookers. When it comes to cooking meals on a budget, slow cookers and pressure cookers can be your best friends. These kitchen appliances are perfect for cooking cheaper cuts of meat, such as beef chuck or pork shoulder, to tender and juicy perfection. Slow cookers are great for hands-off cooking, allowing you to set it and forget it while you go about your day. You can prep your ingredients in the morning before work and come home to a delicious and hearty meal that's ready to eat. Plus, slow cooking allows for deep flavors to develop over time, making even the simplest of ingredients taste amazing. On the other hand, pressure cookers are perfect for those who need to cook meals quickly. They use high pressure and steam to cook food up to 70 faster than traditional cooking methods. This not only saves time, but also helps to retain the nutrients in your food. Both slow cookers and pressure cookers are versatile kitchen tools that can be used for a variety of dishes, from stews and soups to roasts and rice dishes. And the best part, they both help to tenderize tougher cuts of meat, which tend to be more affordable than their leaner counterparts. Tip 9. Elevate your meals with homemade condiments and sauces. Store-bought condiments and sauces can be expensive and packed with preservatives and additives. But did you know that you can easily make your own at home for a fraction of the cost and with much better flavor? Making your own condiments and sauces not only saves you money, but also allows you to control the ingredients and flavors to your liking. You can experiment with different herbs and spices to create unique and delicious blends that perfectly complement your meals. For example, you can make your own ketchup by combining tomato paste, vinegar, sugar, and spices. Or you can make your own mayonnaise by whisking together egg yolks, oil, vinegar, and mustard. The possibilities are endless. Homemade condiments and sauces also make great gifts and can be stored in the refrigerator for several weeks. You can even make larger batches and freeze them for later use. Not only do homemade condiments and sauces save you money, they also elevate your meals to the next level. Imagine serving a burger with homemade ketchup or dipping your chicken nuggets in your own homemade honey mustard sauce. Your taste buds will thank you. Tip 10. Eat fresh and local by shopping seasonally. Eating fresh, seasonal produce not only ensures you're getting the most nutritious and flavorful ingredients, but it's also a great way to save money on your grocery bill. When you shop for produce that's in season and locally grown, you're supporting your community's farmers and reducing the environmental impact of transporting produce from other regions. Local farmers markets and community-supported agriculture programs are great options for buying seasonal produce. These sources often offer a wider variety of fruits and vegetables than what you might find at a traditional grocery store. Plus, buying directly from the farmer means there are no middlemen, which translates to lower prices for you. Shopping seasonally also means being mindful of when certain produce is in season. For example, in the summer months, you can expect to find an abundance of fresh berries, peaches, and tomatoes. In the fall, apples, pumpkins, and squash are plentiful. By incorporating these seasonal ingredients into your meals, you're not only enjoying their peak flavor and nutrition, but you're also saving money by not buying out-of-season produce that's been shipped from far away. In addition to buying locally, you can also grow your own fruits and vegetables if you have the space and resources. Even if you don't have a backyard, you can grow herbs, tomatoes, and other small plants in pots on your balcony or windowsill. We hope that you have gained valuable insights on how to enjoy delicious meals without breaking the bank. Remember, frugal living is not about depriving yourself of the things you love, but rather finding creative and resourceful ways to indulge in them while saving money.